it's drizzling! Free fall! Ooh, we are back. So let's just get to the point. So today's video is my third part of the Lapidarists Geometry workshop that I've been posting for the past 6-7 days now. So if you have not seen the part 1 and part 2, do check it out in the links in the description below, or you can also find the links at the end of this video. I was thinking of showing you guys the time lapse, the fast-paced process again in this video, but I think that will be too monotonous. So the third artwork that I've done, I am thinking to show you guys the process, how to make the 3D tetrahedron form all together, because of a comment from a friend to show how to make these forms. It will be a nice idea if you can just have your stationery and your inventory with you. If you want to make it with me, if you don't want to make it, then it's alright. So one more thing, the templates that you're going to cut to make that tetrahedron are also linked below. You can just click the link and you'll go to the picture and you can just print it on any color paper you want. So as for me, I got hold of the laser cutter, which is at Tashkeel that I am using. So if you guys don't have a laser cutter, then you will have to use a scale and a cutter to cut them all out, which will take a lot of time, of course, but it's worth the effort, because when you're not investing a lot of money, you can just invest some effort. Well, I don't think that's a bad deal. So I just cannot forget to mention that these artworks are courtesy from Tashkeel Art Hub here in Dubai, and that I'm doing this workshop at Van Cleef & Arpels event, which is at Laicol at High D3. The workshops that I'm taking are at 31st March and 7th April from 3 to 6 p.m. Here we are at our creative studio. This is where the magic is, where we make wonders. So right now I'm going to show you how to turn this into this, and then yes! I will just tell you now how to make the tetrahedrons, which is the form that we're using for this specific artwork. You need the templates, a scale, definitely need some glue. So this is a tetrahedron, which is like a 3D form of a triangle. Draw a triangle from this point to this point, which is like a straight line. I will do the same on all 3 sides. If you can see it clearly, the lines on the corners, and where your line is, you have to place the ruler or the scale. I prefer the steel scale because of the sharp edges, as it gives me the finesse that I need. So I will just push it towards the scale, and then I'll reinforce. So now that the scoring is done, this is what it should look like. From the other side, it is looking like a big triangle, and on the inner side it has these hinges. Now I will connect the point at the end of this hinge to the start of this one. So now I have a smaller triangle in the middle of the bigger triangle. It is like more of an inverted triangle. So now where my lines are, I'll hold my ruler on this and I will press it towards the ruler. is. So I will just bring them all together, and it's right here. We'll just try 2 or 3 more. So technically, when you are in the game and you have got the hang of what you have to do, then you do not need a pencil, and it's going to be much faster. So the sticking for me is the most challenging part, because I do not want the glue to bleed outside of the form, because then it looks super duper dirty. So see, this is the outside of the form, and this is the hinge that will go inside. You can fix it before to see where is the inside of the hinge, so that you can apply the glue over here and paste it on the other side. Just paste one side first, like one side first. Try to just press it together, have that straight line, and then once you put one side inside, the other side will already be inside. So you just have to be a little precise with this. Next, we'll just go into the process of how I put them together. You can always draft that before. Once you have made these, then you can just put them together, mix and match the colors, have them aligned in the way that you want, and paste them all together on the base. So once you're pasting them, try to paste them with these folded sides on top, and that will just leave you with one side showing this contour, the line. So this will add to the finesse of the entire artwork. Stay tuned to the channel, because in the next coming videos I will be telling you guys what I actually do. My specialty is what is the work that I do. How can you benefit from that, or how can we benefit from that, because I do business. So this is also me.